Hi, my name is Diego Fernando Sanchez Corrales. I am 29 years. I am from the municipality of the Turba, Antioquia. I am Lusty and the Lusty manifestation of the National Sena Apprentice Service. I am single and living with my mother Sam. I am lead only child of her with had child and the only family that I have. Me personally, because I'm introverted and hardworking person, I am like to play chain and the dog physical exercise very day for my heart and the physical side. I'm living in the city of the Cartagena. As what moment? Um, see, see. This is the picture of the mother who lies with me. Yes. And thank you very much.